is always more than what meets the eye. Sometimes I feel alone, but that's truly a lie. The love is never shaking steady every time. My angels are working overtime. I do not succumb, I get braid, fuck some breadcrumbs. Pay me money, oh I ain't doing none. It's an enterprise, not a charity. I ain't volunteer, I ain't giving none. I'm somebody people relying on. This shit is bigger than you and me. I ain't playing if it's in front of me. Opportunity comes around rarely. I live a life like it's a movie. I know real people who got real struggle. When it's raining, the water is dripping in. Now the floor in the house got many puddles. Me and my angels had a huddle on how to overcome the struggle. It was up to me, so I gotta sprint. I gotta jump them hurdles. I gotta kill nigga, I gotta murder. With my angels beside me, I'm going further. I'm doing more than they can fathom. Letlotlo The Maverick's another level. The Maverick maybe is a rare breed. Type it in every way, find me. I hope that the miracle finds me. Fucking me over, I take it on. When I'm walking, I don't walk alone. Tell the motherfuckers bring it on. I've been standing for long, so I'm fresh. I'ma hold my own, I'ma carry on. When my hits are playing, better turn it up. Worldwide baby, all on the road. I know these niggas finna fuck it up. There is always more than what meets the eye. Sometimes I feel alone, but that's truly a lie. The love is never shaking steady every time. My angels are working overtime. There is always more than what meets the eye. Sometimes I feel alone, but that's truly a lie. The love is never shaking steady every time. My angels are working overtime. 24/7 no resting, cause we're man, we cootsy. Untouchable niggas can't do shit, but I dare a nigga to do some. Fuck around and find out, I wanna see some. From cradle to the grave, clear ops on my way. My protection don't play and it won't stop now. My angels for real get shit done. There is always more than what meets the eye. Sometimes I feel alone, but that's truly a lie. The love is never shaking steady every time. My angels are working overtime.